Used to detect whether the X-axis main slider hole is qualified. Used to detect whether the X-axis main slider parallelism is qualified. Used to detect whether the X-axis main slider vertical is qualified. Used to detect whether the X-axis tension synchronization wall is qualified. Used to test whether the X-axis motor bracket is qualified. Used to detect whether the Y-axis main slider parallelism is acceptable. Used to detect whether the driven synchronous wheel is qualified. Used to detect whether the fixture reference plane is qualified. Used to detect whether the Y-axis main slider is vertical. Used to test whether the power adapter performance indicators are qualified. The caliper used to measure the height of the object can distinguish 0.1 mm height difference. It is a gauge consisting of a set of thin steel sheets with different thickness steps for clearance, spacing measurement. Used to measure the inner diameter of circular hole and to detect if the component hole diameter is qualified. Spiral micrometer, also known as the micrometer, universal length precision measurement tool, can distinguish the length difference of 0.01 mm. Used to check if the size of parts is qualified. Used to check if the thread size is correct. It is universal hardware angle measuring tool. It can distinguish 2 feet angle difference. Used to test if the component angle is qualified. Universal length precision measurement tool can distinguish the length difference of 0.01 mm. Used to check if the geometric tolerance of the component is qualified.